Guys, I got a new package on Amazon. Okay, who delivered the mail? Come on, you gotta use a fork. Stupid. I gotta open that package. Oh, hang on, I'm gonna go get a knife. Okay, I got a knife. Okay, you close. Oh, sure. Okay. Hang on. What's this? Oh, is it bag? Oh. Who did the bag gave it? I'm not gonna want inside. Hang on. Let's see. Alright, hang on. Okay, I got a big bird. He's so big and okay. I gotta open it. Yeah. Now I got it on a pink bird. Look, he's so pink. It's kind of bigger. Yeah, it is bigger. Yeah, it's gonna squeak them. Oh, hang on. Yep, a large feather. That was then, and I got it for the pink bird. And like a large hair. I gotta take off that tag. And, come on. There we go. So, now we're gonna get delivering on my package. And yes, goodness, thanks for watching it today. I gotta go to the plushie.